Be real upset if my door doesn't open. Oh, you see that old ass Mustang too? I think that's a 67. That's nice, yeah. Apparently that guy had the same issues with his car as well with the door. But BRB.
You want me to wait for you?
Yeah, if you want to peel out or like get in the back there so this car can be out. Oh, there she is. What is up, y'all? So I'm back again today. It's actually the next day for me installing those parts. And I got more pieces in, so hopefully we can have the car passenger door situation all taken care of. As you can see, I got a couple pieces in today. Let's open up so you guys can see what all I got. Give me 1 second. Okay, so all the boxes are open. We're gonna see what I got. So I got new door pins. There's that package. Let's see what this one is. This is the new door handle that I broke, and this one should be something unique. Is it open? Let's see. There we go. There we go. Brand new lock. I don't know what this is called, but hopefully this might be the issue with why the passenger side is all messed up. Check it out. Okay. So with the old one, I think what is going on, something about these bezels isn't really unlocking when I open the door from the outside and inside. Maybe it's just messed up. That's why I bought a new one. And hopefully it's just, I think it looked pretty simple from the YouTube video, so hopefully it's an easy install, which we're about to go find out here in a few. Just so I can show you our proof. So as you can see, this is the original one. Door's unlocked. Can't get out, so I had to actually jump over to the driver's side real quick because I accidentally shut the door on myself. So that's, like I said, that's the original. I'll show you what all comes in the new one. Okay, so this is the newer one, just like that. Hopefully it works a whole lot better. Unfortunately, the thing is, like, you have to take off the whole door panel. I thought I could cheat it out and just unscrew this right here, but apparently you gotta actually unscrew the whole door panel as well. So I'm gonna do that real quick and get it back to y'all.
Swing shit. Straight swing shit. Yeah.
Alright, y'all, so today is a special day. Danny's taking me to go pick up my Mustang because, as you know, I have a passenger door problem. Unfortunately, I can't fix the problem just because I don't have the tools. I'm a college student, so I can only do so much. So we're heading to Terry's Automotive. They did a great job. They only charged me $100 to replace the lock actuator and then also replace the lock assembly. So they're doing a pretty good job. And then when I come back, I have another piece where I'd be installing my fuel sending unit. Hopefully I have the right tools to do that myself. Worst case, I'm going back to Terry's Automotive just because they offer me, they're doing good deals on me. And I don't know if you're interested about my free exhaust that I got from LMR. I know some guy commented as well about like how I got a free exhaust. So here pretty soon I'm actually going to be working on another video about how I got a free exhaust system. It was super complex, but LMR, shout out to Jeff again, or yeah, Jeff, he helped me out. We got things situated. It was a huge problem when I first got my Mustang and it wouldn't start. So but it's all situated, it's all taken care of. So shout out to Jeff from LMR again. So stay tuned while we go pick up the Mustang.
Just finished.
What the heck? What's in that, Danny?
Mountain Dew and Strawberry Sublime Rain.
Interesting. Oh yeah, I gotta buy more Rain.
Yes.
Yeah, I'm kind of out of dreamsicle. You know, it'd be cool one day I just get sponsored by Rain.
That'd be really cool.
It'd be cool to get sponsored by LMR too one day. They just start sending me like all kinds of equipment. Hey, try this out and give us a review on it.
Yeah, that'd be really cool.
I think my next daily is actually gonna be that Mercedes way out there.
Yeah, that would be a nice car.
Yeah.
Dream car.
Look at
I almost bought a BMW in high school.
Really? What stopped you?
Money.
Yeah. I mean that, and I'm pretty sure like working on it would have been really expensive too, because it's a foreign car.
Yeah. Anything break on that thing, it would be in the butt to fix. Yeah, I almost made a deal with my parents to, instead of getting this thing, I would save up and get like the down payment on it, to where the payments would be the same as this, and then just get that instead.
Interesting.
I'm kind of happy I didn't. But
yeah, I like this car honestly. You've done a good job actually keeping it like well maintained.
I appreciate that.
Yeah, you've had it for what, like 4 years? 5 years?
I got it in 2015. 5 years.
5 years.
20.
Damn, when did I get my charger? 14, I think?
It seems like forever ago.
No, I got
half a decade ago.
Yeah, I got my charger in 15 as well.
Because you had your Mustang that.
I had my Mustang in my sophomore year in high school. That was my first car.
How long did you have that?
I literally had it for 2 months, and I got it in a car accident. Well, not even. I wasn't me, because I was in the back seat, just chilling. My mom picked me up from work because that's when I had my wisdom teeth pulled out, all four, and then that's when I got hit by a car, and I was still recovering from that. So, yeah. My door doesn't open. Oh, you see that old Mustang too? I think that's a 67. That's nice, yeah. Apparently that guy had the same issues with his car as well with the door. But BRB.
You want me to wait for you?
Yeah, if you want to peel out or like get in the back there so this car can be out. Oh, there she is. All right. What?
Just fill up the gas, like the gas can that we have, and you can do the fuel sensor.
Yeah. So
you use that gas can if you need gas.
what I was thinking, I think what I want to do is fill it up completely and see if it is actually empty, and if not, then that means I know it's not the fuel sending unit. I can send that piece back, and maybe it's just electronics, and just buy the electronic unit that connects it. Cause I don't know. I wonder if I could really just get under my. Oh yeah, I could get under here, but it's a tight fit. 1, 2. Place that. Huh.
Yeah, there's a little bit of a tight fit.
I think I'm gonna go buy a jack, so like when I unscrew it, I can have the jack lower it down.
Yeah, that might be a good idea.
So, yeah, dude, look.
Oh my god.
So he was saying, like I said earlier, like it seemed like this whole part right here was all crooked, and so it was bent in, and as if like somebody was trying to break into it.
Break in.
Yeah, and then now these work as well.
Holy crap. There you go.
Yeah, $95, can't beat that. But yeah, they said they're down to do that one as well, and he was like, yeah, I kind of left the door panel off because he was like, I don't know if you want to work on the window. I was like, yeah. I was like, I was planning to do the door panel myself. Window I want to do, but not right now.
Is the window like an electric?
Yeah, it's electric. It's electric.
That's actually pretty nice for a 92.
Yeah, that's when they started conversion into like more electronics.
Yeah.
93 was like the last one. So yeah, I'm fucking excited.
Hell yeah, dude.
Yeah. Shout out to Terry's Automotive, man. They did a good job.
Yeah, I'm probably gonna use one.
Yeah, I mean, you probably had to like take off your door panel and see like if yours is actually like messed up. I mean, it's easy. It's just we got the tools. Yeah. Damn, I really want to take that out.
All right, I'm gonna head home in that case.
All right, bud.
You good to go?
Yeah, I'm good to go. Thank you. All right, y'all. So y'all saw the door on the passenger side works now. The driver's side that works, but when you hit the powers of the lock and unlock, you hear this huge grinding sound. It's kind of sounding like that. I would record it, but I don't want to mess with it anymore. But I already know it's the actuator just going out. Terry's Automotive said they do it for me as well, same price. I just gotta buy the stuff. Already had, like I said, I already had the actuator because I bought it as a kit for both sides on the Fox body. So all I just gotta do is buy the assembly. But yeah, they do load my car. I should have asked him, he was like, if they could get my car cam, because that's like another thing on my list, to get a cam in. That's something I don't want to do myself. But honestly, they keep on just like charging me like cheap rates. I might actually just stay with Terry's instead. I really want to do it myself, but you know, depending on certain things that I don't want to do with electronics and like the inside of the engine, I know I want to build that relationship, but I want to restore it first. So that's the main reason why. But I'm really glad and grateful that they were able to fix it. The door works brand new again. They love the interior because the interior's aftermarket. So shout out to Kevin. I hope you're watching this video, man. But he fixed the interior of the Fox body Mustang. That's a plus. And then my God, I mean, God, I gotta edit that part out. But my new exhaust system, that should be coming in on Wednesday, and then I should have that installed next week on Monday, because I'm off on Monday, so I'll probably do it on Monday again. And then I bought a few more other things as well. I bought a coder intake, and then I bought a new mid console for the Mustang, because back in the day they didn't have cup holders. So that's something I need to upgrade, because you know, who doesn't drink while, I wouldn't say drink and drive, but you know, who doesn't have a drink while they're driving, like water and just stuff like that. Don't drive under influence. So that's another plus I'm waiting for. After that, the next thing I want to focus on is actually fixing the windows, because the windows, they don't lower down. I don't know what the problem is yet. I want to say it's the actual, I want to say it's the bearings, because when they go up and down, it goes unbalanced, and so it can't be the mortar. But I'm gonna start from the cheapest part so far and work my way down. So there's like these little mounts that go into place of the window. It's like 10 bucks, so I'm gonna get those here pretty soon, probably when I get my full income tax, actually. Because I'm already doing a lot on my Mustang right now, so I'm gonna chill out for a bit. Yeah, but guys, holy crap, I'm so excited. Like I said, the goal is to restore this Mustang. We're doing it slow, piece by piece. I should have like my YouTube decal sticker for the channel on the back window today. Hopefully, if we could get into the mailbox kind of messed up, so Danny wouldn't go to see what's wrong with it. Maybe it's just my key, but he's gonna try on his key. If not, then we're gonna go to our apartment managers and tell them what the issue is. But yeah, guys, I hope you liked the video. I should have another video here pretty soon. Today, my roommate and I, we're gonna replace the fuel sending unit. And that could be the problem that I had the other day. The car just died on me out of nowhere. Apparently it didn't have gas, but we're just gonna double check, because the fuel gauge says filled with gas. It could be the fuel gauge just messed up, or the fuel sending unit just messed up and it's not reading it properly, or it could be that the fuel pump is messed up and it's not pushing out the gas to the engine. But you know, I was driving it today from Terry's back to the apartment complex and to Walmart, so I don't think it's the fuel pump. I think it's the fuel sending unit that's giving it bad readings. That's original, I'm pretty sure. So buying a new one, we're gonna see that makes a difference. So I hope you liked the video. Don't forget to subscribe and stay tuned for the next video of me installing my fuel sending unit. So yeah, don't forget to tell your friends. I hope you enjoyed the Fox body journey and restoring the whole Fox body. I'm actually saving money right now for another project vehicle. I want to, like I said, I want to build each Mustang. So right now I got the Fox body Gen. The next model I'm gonna do is the 94 to 98 model. I have to be the New Edge. My first car was a New Edge. Unfortunately, I couldn't drive that long after 2 months of ownership. Car accident, other parties' fault. They pay for the damages. And after the New Edge, I want to do the 05 to 09. After that, the 10 to the 14. And after that, the 15 to the 19. And potentially the Mach-E once I get there, if they still exist. But yeah, guys, stay tuned for the journey. I hope this YouTube car channel blows up. Ozo, Marin, I hope you're watching this. You live out in Dallas. Hopefully we can go out on a drive. That'd be really cool. Do a sync up. But yeah, don't forget to subscribe, like the video, leave a comment for any questions. And yeah.